Don't tell me it's the baby who is always sick, who is always constipated, who is always tired or sluggish and basically just can't sleep at night. Let me tell you how you, as the mommy or the daddy, can literally help the child's gut thrive from the inside out. But of course, naturally, because you know we don't do anything different. Hey everyone, my name is Tanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I help high achievers master gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? Simply eating from earth. Yes, that is what we do. That is what we live. That is what we preach. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. So today we're talking about the babies, we're talking about the children, we're talking about the kids, we're talking about their gut and how you can literally start their gut microbiome in its most natural state from when they're in the womb. That's where it starts. We're also going to be talking about why it matters, what you could do now to make sure that their gut stay flourishing, and what to do in order to make sure that they actually crave the type of foods that is best for their gut microbiome. Most of these tips are going to be coming from experience. You're not actually going to receive the support that you're looking for in the beginning. And like I said, I know this from experience. But however, your child is going to thrive no matter what. So you might be wondering, why does the gut actually matter during childhood? The gut matters during childhood because 70 to 80% of your child's immune system is inside of the gut. As soon as your child is born, their microbial foundation is foundated, like literally. Like, you just have to know that the foundation is there. We mess it up. We do. Like, unintentionally, intentionally, we mess it up. And it's okay, but it's not at the same time, because we know so much information. We know all the things to do in order to not make sure that they are living the same life that we lived a long time ago. You get what I mean? It's time to make sure that the future is bright. So it starts with the kids. The mood, the focus, the behavior is all linked to that gut microbiome. And I know it might suck to say it, but that is why some children are not developing the brain patterns that help them develop in the way that everyone wants them to, or the brain pattern that helps them achieve things in a more primitive state. But always remember, a healthy gut is better digestion, better sleep, better focus, better mood, better behavior, all around. So how is the gut actually built, starting from when the baby is a baby? It takes 3 whole years for the gut to fully mature. And that is not including when the baby's in the womb. When the baby's in the womb, the gut is basically founded from the mother's stress levels, the mother's diet, and the mother's gut microbiome herself. After that, it's through the breast milk. The breast milk has so many microbes and prebiotics, probiotics, all of the nutrients that the baby needs in order for its gut to be fully matured the whole time. This is why it's preached so much to breastfeed as long as you can, because it matters for that gut microbiome to have that immunity boost, to have everything that is needed in order for the child's gut to mature how it needs to. 3 whole years. 3 whole years. Some cultures really actually support breastfeeding for as long as you can because they know the actual benefits that you can get from it, especially the baby. However, you might not get the support that you need, and it's okay. You might as well just stay strong, because nobody is going to know your child's body like you. And at the end of the day, you are the initiator. So it might be taxing on the brain, it might be taxing on the mental, but always remember your why. Always remember why you started. Set a goal, complete the goal, keep it moving and keep it pushing. And lastly, when you wean your baby off breast milk, do not be giving your baby some cereal. Do not be giving your baby no heavy starches, no french fries as his first food. You're going to tear that gut up. You are. Give the baby some fresh fruits, some fresh, not even fresh vegetables. Like, just give the baby fresh fruits, fresh purees, fresh foods that are high watered, and just make sure it has the same nutrient dense, almost as equivalent to what the breast milk has. You want to make sure that you do not give no baby no heavy starch. Please. Like, please. You're going to form the biggest bubble in their gut, and you will have the worst night of sleep ever. All of those tips are perfect to building a strong gut foundation for your baby and forever on. Some signs of gut imbalance: ear infections, colds, frequently It's too much. It's too much dairy in the system. It's too much mucus in the system that is not able to expel out of the pee or the poop. So therefore, it's trying to come out of other holes outside of the body. Some more signs of gut imbalance will be hyperactivity, trouble focusing, skin rashes like eczema, constipation, of course. Like if your child has not used the bathroom in a couple of days, baby, let's just get them on some fruits. And I know that kids are picky eaters, and that's another sign of gut imbalance. However, start with what they will eat. And guess what? Your child is not going to eat anything that you don't eat. So don't be trying to put nothing in their face and you not eating it too. So therefore, make sure you have that same plate that you are eating. Because guess what? Kids always want what you have. Always. They're going to literally say, I want this, I want that, I want taste, I want this. Yes, that's why. Because you are the example. You are the example. Always remember that the gut healing journey starts in the garden. So let them play outside. Dirt in nature literally puts the gut microbiome in its alignment. And also, let the babies help you in the kitchen. Let them be able to help you create those meals. Make it colorful, make it fun, make it just a joy, you know? If you like this video and you want more videos like this, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute and full of fruit, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.